Hey, Philip Beagle, welcome back to 12 Planes of Christmas, the final episode. Dun, dun, dun. You know, we had a phenomenal year. In the last 90 days, hydraulic systems are going in. Wires are going in. The canopy may or may not be on. You'll just have to watch and see for later on. But come with you. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of what we accomplished over the last 90 days. But before we do that, I need to say thank you. And we all here need to say thank you for your support, your belief in our project, and your belief in us. Without you, none of this works. Everything grinds to a halt. It's because of you that we're buying oil coolers. We're buying electrical stuff. We're buying metal. We're buying sheet metal. We're buying parts, pieces, fittings, bearings. Everything is coming together, and that's thanks to you guys. Just here in the last few months, we started work on the hydraulic system. I'll show you more of that here shortly, but we're starting to install some of the major pieces, parts, to get this baby ready to go. Here we are sitting down here on the right-hand side of the airplane. As you can see, they took everything out from the inside. Not that it's not going back in there, it is. But the reason they took it out was because we're installing hydraulic lines, getting ready to go back to the tail for the tail wheel assemblies. Hydraulic lines are all the way back there now. And this thing is so freaking cavernous. I mean, all we need is a little fire. You can make s'mores in here. It's just gigantic. You know, a lot of the team members here have their own workbenches. I'm sure at home, just like y'all have workbenches at home as well. But how many people have a workbench that's actually a wing of a P-47? That's right. This is one of our hydraulic stations where the guys are rebuilding brand new hydraulic lines, brand new fittings, brand new everything else to bring this airplane back to its former glory. All on the wing of a P-47. Who can say that? We're sitting here on the left side of the airplane, and as you can see, they're starting to put actual real hydraulic lines in the airplane, including some of the fittings, some of the separation valves. And the other cool thing is, dun, 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 the canopy is actually on the airplane, and it's being test fit right now, and it runs. It runs electrically. How cool is that? Part of the P-47 canopy wiring. Our team here has been doing the final installation of yellow tag, overhauled motors, switches, limit switches, everything you can think of. Hey, we started earlier talking about the oil coolers. Well, the project only came with one, so it was really the oil cooler. So we restored the entire oil hanging system, all the brackets, all the fittings, all the bell housings. Here's the oil cooler that came with the project. And thanks to y'all, boom, another one. So now our oil coolers are yellow tagged, overhauled, ready to roll. The system's ready to install. Progress is being made. And that's thanks to y'all. The other thing we're working on is the flap and the aileron system. We have all of our new fittings here. I showed you that in the last video. We have all new bearings we just got. So this airplane's really moving along. You know, we've been hunting and hunting and hunting for a rotor bar assembly for the P-47. We can't find one. It just does not exist. So our team right now is beginning to make them. We have the original drawings. We have the expertise. We have the metal. The metal is actually pretty easy to find. We're doing just an amazing job moving this airplane forward, and that's thanks to y'all's donations. Without you guys. Hey, welcome back. I know we've already talked about the ailerons, the brackets, the bearings, everything like that, but it's our people that make the difference. It's y'all out there. It's us in here. It's the airplane. We all love the airplane. We come here for the airplanes, but we stay for the people. And I want to take a second to introduce our wing leader. This is Mark, who now is our wing leader for the Airbase, and I think he has a message for everybody.
Hey, thanks, Philip. Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Richards, the Airbase leader here at Airbase, Georgia. I want to thank each of you who donated to the 12 Planes of Christmas a tremendous amount of money so that we can continue this restoration project to get this historic airplane back in the air for everyone to see and hear again.
Hey, before we sign off, I just want to say thank you again. We are able to make progress on this airplane because of the donations y'all are putting towards this aircraft. We believe in this project. We will see it fly again. And really, it's because of y'all. So thank you so much. One last thing I want to show you before we go. We won the award for the #1 fundraising airplane for 12 Planes of Christmas 2025. And that's thanks to y'all. It's thanks to you believing in this project. It's thanks for you believing in us and our maintenance team and our restoration team. This airplane will fly again, and that's thanks to y'all.